Cut a tomato in half. Clamp it onto a tree branch. Insert toothpicks. Then cover it with a plastic cup and fill it with soil. What will happen? This is a guava tree. Select a healthy, straight branch about the thickness of a finger. Make 2 circular cuts about 5 centimeters apart. Then make a vertical cut between them. You can now easily peel off this section of bark. Next, use the knife to scrape the exposed cambium clean. This step is crucial, as it prevents the flow of nutrients, forcing the branch to grow new roots. Prepare a ripe tomato as an auxiliary rooting medium. Cut it in half and carve a groove in the middle of each half, so they can securely clamp onto the guava branch. Fix the tomato halves onto the branch with 2 toothpicks. The tomato provides moisture and a small amount of nutrients, helping the branch root more effectively. Find a 250 milliliters plastic cup or a bubble tea cup. Poke a hole at the bottom. Cut a slit along one side with scissors. Then wrap the cup around the tomato. Secure the cut edges with tape, forming a container to hold soil. Use coconut coir, soaked in water as the soil medium. Make sure the soil is thoroughly moistened. Pack the soil firmly inside the cup around the branch. This step is essentially press the soil down firmly. After 40 days, something amazing happens. The plastic cup is filled with roots. The tomato has completely disappeared, having decomposed into the soil, turning into fertilizer and being absorbed by the plant. Now, cut the branch from the bottom, separating it from the mother tree. It has now become a brand new guava tree. By using this method, you skip the seed germination and growth process, preserving the superior genetics and branch structure of the parent tree. Once planted in soil, it may even bear fruit in the same year. This is the air layering propagation technique. It works for most common flowering plants and fruit trees. Have you learned it?